Hello to everyone. So, this lecture presents an environmental calendar highlighting important global and national environmental days. These observances play a crucial role in raising awareness about environmental conservation, biodiversity protection, and sustainable development. So, in this context, this particular lecture, I am moving forward. So, in this slide, you can see the different dates on different dates we celebrate, like Animal Welfare, World Wetland Day, World Penguin Day. So, different days we celebrate in different months to protect and show awareness for environment. So, in this, the major thing, like environmental days serve as tool for education, policy, advocacy and public engagement. So they help in promoting sustainability and encouraging collective environmental responsibility. And especially in January, we celebrate animal welfare. So this fortnight emphasizes compassion towards animal and align with constitutional responsibilities to protect biodiversity and wildlife. Right? So this animal welfare fortnight we celebrate from 14 to 31. You can see February especially focuses on wetland conservation, evolutionary science, and protection of endangered species like pangolins. So we celebrate World Wetland Day in the month of February, Darwin Day, World Pangolin Day. So February is also very important month for environment. In the month of March, very important day, that is World Water Day, we celebrate on 22 March. World Forestry Day we celebrate on 21st March, and World Meteorological Day we celebrate also we celebrate in the month of March. We celebrate World Meteorological Day, especially on 23rd March. So this month highlights critical natural resources. Water is very important resource, and this is very important to save water. So in this context, in this reference, we celebrate World Water Day on 22 March. Forest and emphasizes climate science and meteorology. In this continuation in environmental calendar, in month of April, we celebrate World Health Day, World Heritage Day, Earth Day, that is celebrated on 22 April. This is very important, World Earth Day. So in month of World on the day of Earth Day is very important to celebrate. So, especially in 1970s, a group of people in United States of America got together to draw the attention of the world to the problems being caused by to the earth due to modernization, like the increasing industrialization, deforestation, etc. etc. So these unwanted activities, or we can say the human activities for modernization, affect the earth and the soil quality. So since then, this day has been celebrated all over the world as Earth Day on 22nd April. So this is very important to celebrate in the month of April, right? Now we are moving forward towards the month of May. In this month, especially, it emphasizes biodiversity conservation and addresses environmental health risks such as tobacco pollution. Everybody knows that tobacco is very harmful for our health, so it is very important to stop consuming tobacco and create more and more awareness to stop using tobacco and tobacco pollution, right? So this month is also very important. International Day for Biological Diversity, like the protection of flora fauna, we celebrate on 22nd May, is very important. Next, the month of June. So month of June is again very important because in this month we celebrate World Environment Day. Globally, we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June, World Ocean Day on 8th June, Desertification Day 17th June. So, June is the key month of global environmental campaigns focusing on ecosystem, ocean, and land degradation. Next, month of July. So, the focus is on afforestation in terms of one Mahotsava tree plantation drive. World Population Day we celebrate on 11th July, and conservation of flagship species like tiger. So we celebrate International Tiger Day. The month of August, this month combines wildlife conservation with renewable energy resources. We celebrate in this month, we celebrate World Lion Day, World Elephant Day, Biodiesel Day. So, biodiesel is the diesel which we produce from organic waste or through the process of decomposition of organic matter. So, this is called as biodiesel. And in this month, we celebrate wildlife conservation, combines wildlife conservation and renewable energy awareness. Next is month of September. So this month of September, emphasizes on pollution control, sustainable transport, and environmental health. So in this month we celebrate World Ozone Day, very very important, which is celebrated on 11th September. World Car Free Day, Environmental Health Day. So these days are again very important. I think all are aware that what is the role of ozone. Ozone layer in the atmosphere, which is present in stratospheric layer, is very important to protect life on the earth's surface. So ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. So it is very important to protect our ozone layer, and in this reference we celebrate World Ozone Day on 16th September. World Car Free Day, World Health Day, Environmental Health Day, etc. In month of October, we celebrate World Habitat Day, Wildlife Week, Climate Action Day, etc. We celebrate in month of October. So you can see in these slides, you can take the screenshot. So we celebrate different days that focus on habitat conservation, climate action, and sustainable development practices. We also celebrate in the same month non GMO month, World Vegetarian Day, World Animal Welfare Day, etc. In month of November, we celebrate, or this month highlights the relationship between environment, urbanization, and sustainable resource management. And at the end of the year, like the month of December, which is focuses on soil conservation, energy efficiency, and sustainable mountain ecosystems. So, in month of December, we majorly celebrate World Soil Day, Energy Conservation Day, International Mountain Day, etc. So this is about the details of different days in reference of environment which protect which the protection of environment which is very important for our survival. So if we conclude this lecture, like environmental protection require consistent effort from individuals, institutions and governments. These observances act as reminders to adapt sustainable lifestyles. So now the call to action, like it is very important to protect our environment, conserve our environment, and create awareness among the people more and more. So, this is very beneficial lecture for all group. So, you can take the screenshot of the different slides, and to get the environment related content you must have to like, share and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Okay, thank you so much.